This is the Reserva Ecológica in Buenos Aires, and this is an area of the Reserva, the coast. I call this the Planet of the Apes beach because it's really an apocalyptic vision here. I mean, all this material, all this rubble came from a series of blocks that were pulled down during the construction of a motorway leading to the airport during the military dictatorship. So it's nice to wander around and discover like different pieces of buildings. I mean, from cobblestones to large chunks of road, like the one we're sitting on here. Columns. You can see the iron bars of the different beams and columns around. And what else? Bricks that have been. How would you say that? Have been sort of molded.
Well, yeah, they've been reformed by
yeah, they have been
almost reclaimed, right?
Yeah, by the river.
But also, they're kind of like fossils of architecture.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So basically, they took it down and then threw it all here.
Yes. So gradually, around this rubble, it started to form with the sediment brought by the river itself, this area that we now call Reserva Ecológica, with all that sediment, And eventually, with the sediments came the seeds of the trees and the plants as well.
So in a way, it sort of worked in a bizarre way. It's sort of like nature's reclaimed
like
and then
natural polder.
Because the intention, I guess, wasn't sort of ecological, was it? It was just to dump it and
it's very far from anything that had to do with ecology.
Yeah, but it's something beautiful about it in a way.
Oh yes, yeah, and there are some pieces that almost look natural now. Like you see those chunks of rock or granite over there.